us now see the next type of question based on similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PBR. In triangle ABC, AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and AC is 6 centimeter. Construct triangle ABC and triangle PBR such that AC upon PR is equals to 3 upon 2. This is different from the question that we have done before, where you see very clearly A, B, C and P, Q, R, they do not have any alphabet in common. That means they are not sharing any of their vertices. But in this question, you can see B is common in both of them. That means point B lies in both triangle ABC as well as PBR. So you cannot construct using this method. Let us see. This is the rough thought. You don't have to write this, but you should be knowing this in order to construct the triangle. It is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PBR. Therefore, AB upon PB is equals to BC upon BR is equals to AC upon PR is equals to 3 upon 2 given in the question. Reason corresponding sides of similar triangles. Right? Now, in the ratio, 3 is greater than 2. That means sides of triangle ABC will be greater than the corresponding sides of triangle PBR. Therefore, sides of triangle ABC will be greater than the corresponding sides of triangle PBR. Also, vertex B is common in both of them. Let us draw a rough figure. So, we have triangle ABC. ABC, right? AB is given to be 4 centimeter, BC is given to be 8 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter. The vertex which is common to both of them should come on the left hand side. That is the common vertex. This should come on the left hand side in the base. So you have triangle ABC. Now, we know side of triangle ABC is greater than the corresponding side of PBR. That means point R has to be somewhere in between B and C. So your figure would be somewhat like this. PBR. Something like this. Okay. So let us see how to solve this question. Again, the ratio is 3 upon 2 and 3 is greater than 2. This number shows that we have to divide BC into 3 equal parts. 3 is greater than 2. So, you have to divide the side BC into 3 equal parts. Out of these 3 equal parts, the 3 parts will be BC and 2 parts will be BR. Why? Because 3 corresponds to triangle ABC and BC is part of triangle ABC. So, 3 parts will be BC and 2 parts will be BR. You can take it this way. BC upon BR is equals to 3 upon 2. So 3 parts will be BC, 2 parts will be BR. That is what you're going to do. You don't have to show this working. This is your rough thought. This is what you have to show. Let us see again how to do this question. Let us see. In rough, I'll show you how to draw this figure, and then in fair, we will be doing the same. So from point B, we know how to divide a given segment into given number of parts. It is 3 equal parts. So you'll draw a ray from point B. Then you will make 3 equal cuts because 3 equal parts. And the third cut you will join to point C. Right? So 3 parts will be BC. So when we divide this into 3 equal parts, 3 parts will be BC. And 2 parts is BR. That means this is part 1, this is part 2. So from here I have to draw a line. How to do that? That you get from this angle. Let this point be P1, P2, P3. So this angle, you have to draw an angle which is congruent to this angle from point P2. So steps, first arc, then you take this measurement, you make the same measurement here and then you join it. When you join, you get the point R. So BR is done. Right? Now you have to get point Q somewhere here, point P. point P somewhere here so that I can form PBR. I need point B somewhere here. How to get that point? That depends on this angle. So this angle congruent to this angle, you have to draw from point R. So from point C, you'll make a cut. With the same measurement from point R also, you'll make a cut. Then you will see the measure of this angle with a compass, and using the same measure, you'll make a cut here also. And then you will simply join those two and you will get point P. PBR, the second triangle. This is how you're going to do it. Let us do a fair figure. First, we will construct the triangle ABC because all three sides of ABC are given, right? So ABC, BC is the base and BC is 8 centimeter. So let us draw 8 centimeter first. This is 8 centimeter, which is BC. centimeter. Now you have AB equals to 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter on the compass. This is 4 centimeter, and using that measurement from point B, make a cut. Next, you have AC equals to 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter on the compass. This is 6 centimeter. Okay. And then from point C, you have to make a cut. Okay. You don't need this extra arc, so I'm just removing it so that your construction looks neat. So this is your point A. A to B. This is your side AB, which is 4 centimeter, and side AC, which is 6 centimeter. So this is your triangle ABC. Now let us see how to draw this triangle PBR. As we discussed before, first step is you have to draw a ray. So let us draw a ray. Any measurement will do from point B. This is a ray. Now taking any measurement on the compass, make 3 cuts. So from point B, first cut without changing, the second cut, and without changing the third cut. Now the third cut has to be joined to point C. Reason, 3 corresponds to side BC and 2 corresponds to side BR. So this is the third point, P1, P2, P3. This is the third point. It corresponds to side BC. So you join this point to point C. This is your first cut, right? Now you have to take the second cut. Why the second cut? Because the second cut corresponds to BR. So how to draw? From point P3, make a cut. Without changing, from point P2 also make a cut. Now you have to see how much this angle has opened. That means from here you have to check how much this angle has opened. So this is how much the angle has opened, right? So using the same compass, same measurement, from this point also you have to make a cut. So you get another arc here. So you have this segment joining P3 to C. So here also we will have a segment joining P2 to this. Done. So this is the point of intersection. So you joined, right? This is the point R. This is your point R. Now we have to draw PR. How to draw PR? Based on this angle. We have to draw an angle which is congruent to angle BCA at point R. Procedure is the same. How to draw congruent angles? First step, make a big cut using the same measurement from point R also, that is from the point where we want the congruent angle. Make a big cut. Next, how much is this angle opening? Check that. Take that on the compass. It's opening this much. So, taking that measurement, you have to make a cut on this arc. So, this is how much both the angles are opening. Right? And then you simply join. AC is joined. Similarly, you have to join R to this point of intersection and you get point P. So this is PBR, which is a smaller triangle as compared to ABC, that is the bigger triangle. And these are similar triangles.